What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol BKKT for Bakkt holdings. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, yes, this will be an update. The first thing I would add to our chart before we go any further is this resistance trend line right here, coming in from that high, sort of swinging out and getting the most touches. It's not perfect, but basically anchor, touch 1, a little bit of a violation, but 2 and 3 as well as 4 here. What you'll notice is we're in a firm downtrend, right? On the 30-minute chart, definitely a firm downtrend. Now on the daily, it's a different story, right? We're kind of in an uptrend from the sense that this is your major low, next major low. Could this be the next higher low? That is the question that we should start asking ourselves from the daily perspective. We certainly have all the hallmark signs for highs, higher high and higher high in here as well. But again, it's all going to come down to, do we hold this $30.50 mark? Notice that we're coming into it hot and heavy. And if we take a look at what happened on today's session, a little bit concerning in my estimation, which is why I wanted to make this video here. So at first we came into it, big buy side reaction off of the number, just, give or take. And then what happened into the end of the day is that we, clearly dribbled lower and gave back essentially all of that big move to the upside away. So to me, that starts to raise some questions. Why was that retraced so easily? Why did that not stick? To me, the most ideal thing that could have happened here, and I know we're sort of talking, in terms of theory, but ideally, this would have put in a bull flag just underneath the resistance trend line, just underneath the 50 SMA, would have broken it, taken us to that 34.50, next critical area from the flush point in here, and then we could have seen that move higher into about 40. Did not happen, obviously, and we closed relatively weak. So to me, this is pretty concerning. And again, the fact that it tried to make that attempt to go higher and then gave it all away, something isn't right here. So to me, kind of a question mark. I would not be looking long just yet. I would kind of wait for a structural pattern to develop, which again is why I wanted to make this video. If we start to see a bit of a double bottom, then fine, neckline break puts into play higher. If we start to see an inverted head and shoulders, something that looks like this, that shoulder's not quite high enough, but you get the gist, break of the neckline takes us higher. Some sort of pattern does need to start to develop here based on the fact that the first touch buy reaction, this green bar that printed right there, did not hold. So again, that's slightly concerning, and I would be patient here to wait for some structure inside of Bakkt holdings. If you enjoyed the video today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.